Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you some idea about decorate this lantern I made before. If you want to know how to make this lantern, DIY this lantern, you can check my old video. I will place the link, mark the link on the information field below this video. The first idea, we will decorate the lanterns with our red frame. Since the lanterns I make is 50 cm wide, and by coincidence, it can be put in our red frame. Since I'm holding the foam, it's not much convenient. Okay, so I will decorate it with our red frame. I will put the flower on it. If you want to know how to make the flower wet, you can check my old video. I will mark the link on below information field. Okay, let's check the effect. Okay, let's check the effect after we decorate the lantern with flower wreath. Okay, in fact, it's disproportionate because our flower wreath is large, so the lanterns will look small. This lantern I made is 25 cm tall. If we're using this large lantern, making taller, maybe 30 cm will be better, and using larger candle. But anyway, it looks perfect. It looks nice. If you make the taller lanterns, you can use a larger candle, but maybe do not use the real candle. The real candle will be much more safe. Or you can use a stand, so the candle will be much more taller. But anyway, it's really pretty. I like it. And if you don't want to use the large wreath, because large wreath need a lot of flowers, so that may increase the cost. You can see we can rest the lantern with our flower white. I will show you. Before let's go to the next idea. There's something important I should tell you. After we remove the lanterns, let's check it. You can look, there are a lot of space on the inner line of the spine. We don't have to put all the flower, put the flower on every spine, every line, in order to save cost. It's not important because after we put on the lanterns, we cannot see the space. Okay, this is a way to cut costs. Okay, I will show you how to decorate the lantern with our flower white. Okay, the next idea about making the flower wreath to decorate the lantern is using this short wire. Connect two short wire, 2 or 3 or more short wire together. Look at this. There are some holes here, so you can connect to each other. And then red them together and tie them together so you can get a wrap like this, and then put on the flower will be okay. If you want to see the detail about how to make the flower wreath with this soft white, you can watch my old video. I will place the link on the information field just below this video. Okay, now let's see the effect. Let's check the effect. Okay, then complete the flower wax. Then put on our lantern. And the candle. I only have one candle, but in fact, we need a larger candle. Okay, then let's check the effect. To making the flower with the flower white cap, use less of the flowers, but the effect. Okay. Look at this. But there are so many rooms here, but if using the flower white. So let me check if I put some flower on it. So I think do not use the real candle will be better. So just put some flower in it to make it full. Okay. What do you think? Okay then, so you can compare the effects for the effect of the flower white make with the soft white and the red frame. You can find the difference and select the style you want. And if you think you don't have so much budget, or you don't like to put so many flowers around the lantern, we have another idea. I will show you now. In fact, my last idea is using the flower putty. In fact, I don't have the flower putty on hand, so I will take this green things out of my bouquet holder. This bouquet holder is my next project, but I don't want the putty, so I will take it out and use on this project, this tutorial. I'm sure you can buy this green putty on Dollar Tree or other local store will be okay. Okay, I will take it off and cut the shape I want. Okay, so I cut the putty. And you can apply some glue, normally some hot glue, and paste it here will be okay. Something dropped. And then take our stone. We have this soft stone. We have 5 cm long and 8 cm long. So if you want to buy this stone, you can contact us. Very simple. Just put the stone on the flowers and then arrange the flower on the putty will be okay. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Maybe I'm not good at arranging the flower. I just want to show you the concept. I think you can arrange the flower much more pretty than me. But anyway, let me show you the effect. Okay, then if you say you even don't want any flower, it will be okay. It will be okay. Do you remember the inspiration picture start from the video? Okay, I will show you. Okay, so look at this picture. If you don't want any flower, you can make the lanterns in different size and just put some leaf here to make the samples. This kind of centerpiece very simple but very beautiful. Okay, then I will show you my decoration inspired by this picture. Since I only make one lantern, so I just show you my idea. Just with one lantern, you can make more lanterns in different size to make a very great centerpiece. We can use this leaf wire. The leaf wires, there's iron wire inside, so you can just put it around the lantern or here, whatever you want. I just show you the effect. You can design by yourself. Okay then, what do you think? In fact, it's very pretty. I really like it. I just read the flower wine on the lantern will be okay. Really pretty. I like it. Okay, this is today's tutorial. On this video, I just show you some idea about decorate the lantern on the bottom field. For my next video, I will show you my idea about decorate the lantern on the top. If you are interested, you can follow my post. But please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement because I will get revenue from YouTube and use that money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your support and thank you for your watching. Bye bye.